Yeah, I mean, with brakes, you wanna keep an eye on them. We offer a low-cost oil change that we try to, so people can just regularly bring their cars in here. We'll change the oil, and we're always just going to keep our eye on things like the brakes, the pads, the linings, the rotors, just the system in general, to make sure that everything is as it should be. If you can save yourself a lot of money by maintaining your brake system rather than waiting until you have that horrible grinding noise or something along those lines. That's when you really are going to start spending money. So again, if you keep an eye on them and just keep inspecting them, then you can save yourself a lot of money in costly repairs.